see all the wonderful things that you can do when you learn how to use Daniel Smith extra fine watercolor paint. Um, Years ago, Daniel Smith took me on as a watercolor teacher, beginner watercolor teacher, and they created what's called a dot card of my palette. And see right there, it says Kathleen McElwaine Palette. And this has all of the colors that I use. It has this new gamboge. It has the Hansa yellow light. The red I use now is different than this one, but these are all good transparent colors. And then on the back of the dot card, it has all about me as a teacher and all about me as an artist. And Daniel Smith paint is the best watercolor paint you can possibly use. And my students all use Daniel Smith watercolor paint. And you don't pay a penny more for the class. And that's what I send you is Daniel Smith. I send you a palette just like this that you can set on your table and sign into the Zoom class, and I give you Pentel water brushes or a brush. As you can see, it's a medium, and we just paint so much, and my students cannot wait for the next class.